So to begin the program, we would like to introduce our today's first speaker, and for this we are going to China.
So, as you can see, we are starting our journey right away. So would you be so kind and introduce what company we're going to meet this time?
Yes, definitely. Actually, we met this company just with a different speaker in our previous event, which was Western Maritime Forum. This time for Eastern Maritime Forum, I'm proud to introduce you company RSC Biosolutions. So for nearly 40 years, RSC Biosolutions has been serving global marine fleets and heavy equipment operators with advanced technologies including high-performance, regulatory compliant, sustainable lubricants, greases, cleaners, and degreasers to meet demanding performance requirements without negative environmental impact. So company look forward to sharing how RSC Bio can help forum participants learn more about and implement smarter and more sustainable solutions today. So Thomas Kalokto will introduce us how RSC Bio solutions can contribute by making the world more sustainable.
Great, and so, you know, it's going to be the first presentation of the second day.
Yes.
So the second opening.
Exactly. And Thomas will open.
Really, we kind of know that it's going to be good, right?
Yeah, that should be
good. It's not that we hope for that.
Hi Thomas, how are you?
Fine, thanks. Can you hear me?
Nice to hear. We can hear you.
That's good.
So Thomas, you are a representative of RSC Biosolutions branch in China, is that right?
Yeah, actually I'm located in Hong Kong.
Okay. And how is the company, for example, your branch, how is your branch dealing with pandemic situation?
Actually, we don't have any activities so much, and because of pandemic, actually I'm working from home now, and also most of our customer, they have a policy to have a limited customer visit. That is the case in our area.
Okay. Actually, we are really happy to contribute with RSC Biosolutions. I introduced your company just a little bit for our audience, but I have no doubt that you have much to say and much to offer for Eastern Maritime market. So Thomas, if you're ready, just please share your screen, because we would like to dedicate the stage to RSC Biosolutions.
Okay, can you...
We can see your screen perfectly.
Okay.
The only thing that's left is for you to make it full screen, and we're going to be good to go.
Yeah, I try to wait. Is it okay? Is
Great.
It correct?
Yes.
Perfect. Stage is yours.
Thank you very much. Hello, everybody. Good afternoon from Hong Kong. I'm Thomas Lo. I'm working with RSC Bio as technical business consultant in Hong Kong. Today, I would like to talk about RSC biotechnology and our environmentally acceptable lubricants, EALS. Last but not least, I will talk about a little bit our EAL greases. At RSP Bio, we believe it is not enough to simply solve a challenge. We need to solve smarter. The global security related to environmental risk is accelerating. Regulations, ESG matrix, and investor requirements are all intensifying. In some venues, environmentally acceptable solutions are required. And many times, the biggest risk is reputational, hurting your brand. It has been sometimes described to us by our customers as a nightmare to deal with the competing demands. But the things are changing. Technology has catch up with the macro trends. In the past, environmentally acceptable lubricant solutions means giving something up. The perception was that EALS worked half as well and cost twice as much. You will only use environmental lubricants if you have to. Technology has advanced since then. High stability, advanced base oils, and additives has been developed. Lubricant suppliers have more options to formulate with. Market growth has led to lower costs for some technologies. Year of testing in field has taught us a lot. Fully developed supply chains for global availability now exist. We are RSC Bio, and we solve smarter. We specialize in offering solutions using advanced industrial biotechnology. We do one thing and we do it well. We will be focusing on this for a long time, discovering and perfecting the technologies that solve our industry's unique challenges. Applications with high performance requirements and high environmental risk. So our sweet spot is the overlap between applications with demanding technical requirements and environmental, where the risk associated with an exposure is high. We have a deep understanding of the challenges that come with industry we serve. Tough conditions, environmental risks, potential ecosystem issues, and managing economics are our priorities. Creating and customizing solutions to help your business thrive. Our solutions are engineered for long-term value to keep you running strong, protect equipment life, and preserve natural resources. Our partners are typically addressing one or more of those three challenges. They want to increase operational efficiency, maximize uptime, reduce inventory, and increase fleet flexibility with products that meet the broadest array of regulations and work in the broadest number of applications. Achieve sustainable development goals without compromising financial goals. Create peace of mind with solutions that are highly durable and mitigate risk of an event. RSC Bio is a leader in sustainable lubricants engineered to keep your business and the environment safe and strong. 100% focused on biodegradable technology, specialty lubricants, greases, and cleaners. Committing to giving you the freedom to focus on what you do every day. Our exclusive technologies offers the performance you need, while minimizing exposure concerns, the best of both worlds. We've always had a performance-first mindset. In the early days, we had products that were safer, but not as green as possible because the performance just wasn't there. We feel like, and still do, that the product must perform first and foremost. Without that, adoption will be limited and our impact on this global problem will be minimal. But the lab isn't the one thing we want to point to as proof of the technology's stability. Years of stable performance without failures in some of the world's most demanding applications and long-term relationships with demanding customers are better indicators. Note in reference of 60,000 hours. The product was ENVIROLOGIC gear oil 150 using in diamond offshore ocean confidence racks 185 in a positioning cluster. Other rack applications are monitored. The applications are HPUs and cranes on trial ocean vessels with ENVIROLOGIC hydraulic fluid HP46. RSC Biosolutions offers a very broad and versatile product range of lubricants, greases, specialty fluids, and cleaners. RSC Bio is a leader in sustainable lubricants engineered to keep your business and the environment safe and sound. 100% focused on biodegradable technology, specialty lubricants, cleaners, and solvents, committed to giving you the freedom to focus on what you do every day. The term environmentally acceptable lubricants, or EAL, was developed by the EPA in its 213 Vessel General Permit, VGP. According to this regulation, vessels over 79 feet must use environmentally acceptable lubricants, EALs, when operating in US waters in all oil-to-sea interface. An environmental acceptable lubricant is minimally toxic, not bioaccumulative, and biodegradable. That is defined as greater than 60% degradable after 28 days. EALs and other safer foods required under the VGP are a good benchmark to follow when operating in highly sensitive and restricted areas to minimize the environmental impact of a spill or a leak. Other important aspects to consider in lubricant selection are long-sealing characteristics and reliability or bio-based carbon content. Products that are inherently biodegradable do not meet VGP EAL standard. This includes many competitors who claim VGP companions. EALs to perform equal or better to mineral lubricants. EALs to mitigate the environmental impact of a spill. EAL to improve public relations and reduce risk. EAL to improve productivity, leading to improved profitability. EAL to readily biodegradable. But EALs do not eliminate spill occurrence. EALS do not eliminate lead to report spill or discharge. EALS do not eliminate the lead to clean up spills, but fines are typically less. EALs do not persist in the environment like inherently biodegradable lubricants do. This is more than one type of EAL, and it is codified in an ISO standard. This standard categorizes environmental hydraulic fluids by the chemical composition of its base fluid. From left to right, these hydraulic fluids are listed in order of increasing stability and decreasing reactivity to oxygen or water impact. RSC Bio solution offers triglyceride type that is our ENVIROLOGIC HP series, but its sweet spot is HEPR technology, which both Futera and ENVIROLOGIC HF-HP are used. And we have also been busy developing a range of high-performance, environmentally acceptable greases. This is our grease product called ENVIROLOGIC WREP greases. WR means water resistant. EP stands for extreme pressure. This is a lithium complex grease with synthetic base oil, which is able to withstand high temperature. We further demonstrated an ENVIROLOGIC WREP grease with motive offshore in November 2020, and one of the directors, Eric Phobis, was really impressed with its performance. Performance advantages of using ENVIROLOGIC WREP greases: good wire rope protection. Synthetic hydrocarbon-based grease offers very good corrosion resistance, whereas external corrosion barrier and internal cable lubricator reducing friction. Penetration into wire when soft NLGI grade are used. In terms of total cost of ownership, requires less grease to be used. Applies in a thin and evenly distributed layer covering the whole rope. Failure to drip off even during winding of cable, reducing potential of slip hazards and equipment fouling. Less waste material, minimal space off, even when exposed to water, longer lasting. The application video illustrates how evenly the grease coating is distributed and no product drip or loss. ENVIROLOGIC EHD grease This is formulated specially for jack-up platforms, which require a high loading capability grease to lubricate the jack-up legs. This grease also provides very good water-resistant characteristic and excellent wear and corrosion protection. ENVIROLOGIC HIGH-TACK grease tool. This is specially formulated for high-speed applications, which generate high centrifugal force that easily flings grease off from bearings. Because of the tacky nature of this grease, it is very suitable for high-speed application. The key feature of our product range are drop-in compatibility with most fluid type already in your equipment, stability of the lubricant in use, sustainability profile of our products, and their availability around the globe. The risk of environmental incident is real, and so it is need to run your business. Let us show you how we can bring the lubricant stability, compatibility, and performance you need while minimizing risk and exposure. This is my side. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your time.
Thank you, Thomas, very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Yeah, so I think we're going to jump to the questions now. Is that cool?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, you want to go ahead?
Sure.
Sure.
So, how does making the product greener influence its effectiveness?
Because we formulated with our product by using bio-based base oil. That means our technology is a very green technology in terms of biodegradable and EAL requirements.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. And then what main points should be evaluated while choosing lubricants?
I think the main point should be the first one should be the regulation requirement. The second one is about the lubricant and the equipment performance. The last one, I think, is about the company reputation.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, do we have some more?
We have one last question actually. What trends do you see emerging in lubricants for global marine?
I think because of most stringent emission regulations are coming, which may increase the use of EAL, such as EAL engine oils for both two-stroke or four-stroke engines. This is what I can see.
Mm-hmm. And also one more question. What are the key considerations for operators interested in making the switch to more sustainable lubricants in global shipping?
Okay, for this question, I would like to say our solutions are engineered for long-term value to keep them running strong, protect their equipment life, and preserve natural resources.
Okay, so thank you for replies, Thomas, and actually for all the audience, I would like to encourage you guys. Right now, you can take a moment, take a screenshot with the contact details of Thomas, who can comment actually on the process when you are choosing the lubricants and so on. I believe give advices. For you, Thomas, I would like to mention that basically your presentation will go far and beyond even after the event is finished, because it was recorded, as well as your contact details. So basically all the participants will be able to get in touch with you, watch once more again what you have presented, and one more time, thanks a lot for interesting, beautiful presentation.
You are welcome. Take care, guys.
Thank you very much, and you too. Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a great day too. Bye-bye.